Nepalese momo is a popular dish in Nepal and the surrounding region, and it can be made with a variety of fillings. Here's a basic recipe for making chicken momo. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup water, 1 pound ground chicken, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, minced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Gradually add water, stirring until a smooth dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. In another bowl, mix the ground chicken, onion, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, cumin, salt, and pepper until well combined. Roll the dough into small balls and flatten them into circles using a rolling pin. The circles should be about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Add a spoonful of the chicken filling in the center of each circle. Fold the circle in half and press the edges together to seal. Steam the momo for 10 to 12 minutes, until the dough is cooked through and the filling is hot. Serve the momo with a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, vinegar, and red pepper flakes. Enjoy your delicious Nepalese momo.